Hey, how are you today?
Hey guys!
Chef Dino and Nicole.
Yes,
again,
yes.
We are going to check into the mass amounts of different noodles that we have. So there's pasta from just everywhere. Yeah.
Yes.
And it originally started in China.
Right.
Marco Polo, of course, an Italian.
Right. Of course, an Italian.
Discovered it, brought it back to Italy,
Yeah.
and then it just became a bonanza.
Yeah, all over Europe. And then,
everywhere.
And then America. Yep.
Yeah. So we have different styles now, even going into these nowadays with gluten-free,
Right.
organics,
Right.
brown rice pastas, Moroccan couscous.
Right.
You have European pastas, German spatula, and of course Italian.
Of course.
So today I wanted to do something that kind of brought it back to where it originally started
very cool.
in China, and we're going to do a nice little Oriental dish.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
We don't really get to do these very often.
No, not often.
Yeah.
With the Oriental food.
Yeah.
We focus a lot on Italian because of our heritage.
Right.
But there's just so much variety out
Right.
there, and different things that we can choose from.
Right.
So it's really nice.
Plus,
So
there's this great connection between Marco Polo and China.
yeah, of course, yeah. It's always something.
Good stuff,
If you trace anything back to its roots, it's
full
Italian.
Exactly. Comes full circle, no matter what.
Exactly. We use egg roll wrappers,
Very cool.
which is a pasta.
Yeah. I guess I wouldn't think that, but yeah, it is a pasta.
Exactly. So not only can they be deep fried,
Yeah.
You can also boil them as this awesome noodle.
Really?
I've also used them to make homemade raviolis. Real
wow.
light, delicate noodle that
Okay.
wraps around the cheese pocket.
Very cool.
Just some cool stuff.
Awesome.
So what we have here is you can get these in the produce department or in our frozen section.
Okay. I guess it would also be kind of like a lasagna.
Yeah, you can use them for that too. Yeah, very thin noodle, very
Yeah.
light, very delicate. Has really nice texture to it. Okay, so we have these sheets of pasta, and you can see how thin they are.
I would have never thought. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a pasta. It really
It's a pasta.
is.
It's just a pasta. Exactly. So we're going to put these down. What we're going to do is we're going to cut some nice, real wide noodles. I love a good wide noodle. Okay, so we're going to cut this egg roll wraps into quarters. Okay, so you have these nice wide noodle strips like
my
this.
goodness, yeah.
Okay? So we're going to just kind of pile these up and separate them this way. When you put them into the water, they won't bind together. Now, being as thin as they are, they're going to cook quick.
Okay, that's
so
good
a
to know.
couple minutes on them, and
Yeah.
not like 10, 12 minutes. They like to get it out that damn dense pasta. These are very delicate and very light.
Okay.
I want to help you pile up with
absolutely.
you.
You know what? Get some gloves on.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, yeah. We get some these noodles piled up.
Yeah. You know what I've done with egg rolls in the past?
What's that?
I've made mozzarella sticks with them.
Yes, yeah, exactly. And that's that's how I came up with this dish.
Oh, get out!
My son for Super Bowl said, "Dad, give me some egg roll wrappers. I got to make you these mozzarella sticks."
No way!
So he used like 5.
You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You're like, what do I do
And
with
I'm
this
like,
now?
okay, what do I do now? So I was at home one night, and we had some rotisserie chickens that we bought for the family, and I had
nice. $5 Tuesday?
Yeah, exactly. I had about 3/4 of a chicken left.
Okay.
So I pulled the meat, and I'm looking through the refrigerator, and I found these egg rolls, and then then I found some soy sauce, and I'm like, oh, I know what I could do, and it kind of started coming to me.
That's really cool.
So we're gonna just pile these in here.
Oh yeah, make a nice big pile. So it's gonna be a lot of pasta, considering.
Yeah. So it's basically a pound of pasta.
Wow.
Yeah. So for a meal for again 2 hungry people or a family of 4.
Very
all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season this boiling water. We want to get a little salt in there because you always want to season your water first.
Start with salt.
Right.
Yep.
Start with salt. Okay. And what I like to do with this dish is I also like to add pepper to it.
Okay.
All right, and that's not usually done, but it picks up some nice flavor in the pasta. So we're going to put a little bit of peppercorn on it. Other things you can do to make like some cool looking pastas is you can boil red wine. And then when you cook your pasta, it's going to come out purple.
Wow.
So a really cool presentation, on that.
Here, I can do the rest of those.
Yeah.
Switch with you.
No, okay, we'll switch. Yeah. We'll get these all going here. All right. Go ahead and pile those up. So this water is boiling now.
Yep.
We got a little salt, a little pepper in the water. We're getting some nice flavors out of that. And then we're going to add the pasta to it.
Right.
We got this all right.
Yeah.
All right. There's a couple left.
Oh yeah. Hard to.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. So you want to just kind of drop these in. flaking them around.
Oh, you could actually see the pepper kind of coming up.
Yeah, and that's going to flavor the dish, and it'll bind and it'll attach to it, and it'll add some flavor to it. All right. So we're getting all this in here. All right, and again, this cooks, very quick. So while this is cooking, we're going to make our sauce.
Okay.
So we're going to switch it again.
Yep.
All right, so I have my bowl here. All right. In this bowl, what we're going to add to this is a sweet soy glaze.
Okay.
Kind of like a balsamic glaze, but it's made with soy sauce, so they condense it down and they get a sweetness out of it.
Very cool.
So you're going to use about a half a cup of this right in here.
Okay.
And you can see how nice and thick this is.
Oh, yeah.
It coats the pan. About half this bottle is about half a cup. That's what you're going to need.
Like we always talk about, when we do proportions here, it's like, a little bit of this.
So this is 11 ounces.
Okay.
So it's about a cup and a half. So you're going to use about a little over half.
Okay.
I'm going to add some regular low sodium soy.
Do that.
All right. Because we got salt in the water.
Right.
We got salt in this already. So we want to just do this just to kind of loosen up that soy, just a little bit, that sweet soy, just a little bit to make a sauce. All right. And if you'd like to grab the tongs that you have there,
yes,
just kind of give this pasta a little move around.
Okay.
That way it won't get all like one
together.
clump. Right. All right. And now my favorite thing.
I know. That's the best stuff.
This is made by the guys that make the best sriracha, and this is a chili garlic sauce.
Yes.
Fine. All right. So we're going to take this and we're going to add a teaspoon of this because we don't want it to overtake it, but we want that little kick in the background. So we're going to just add a teaspoon of that right in there. Okay.
Wow, the pasta's looking.
Yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? All right. So into this bowl also, we got some fresh chives that we're going to put down.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. So I'm going to use about 6 to 8 sprigs. Hey, let's go 10. All right.
And chives are coming in season now too.
Yeah,
that's a spring vegetable.
And this is the best thing. You plant one of these in your yard, and you have chives for the rest of your life.
I know.
Yeah, go out there,
the
snap a couple.
blossoms are so beautiful.
Right,
Oh,
At the end of the season, just nice. So we're going to chop up some of these chives. We're going to put this right into the bowl. All right, and we're going to take some nice fresh bean sprouts here.
Yep.
We're going to put about 1 cup. Okay, into the bowl. All
This
right.
is for the sauce too, right?
This is the sauce, right? This is what we're going to toss all together.
Okay.
All right, now I was talking to you about that rotisserie chicken.
Yeah.
So I pulled some meat.
Of course.
And how I'm going to heat this chicken is I'm just going to dump it right in here with the pasta. Okay, we're going to move that around and mix it.
Yep.
And that's going to be done about 30 to 40 seconds when your dish is done there. All right. Okay.
I know, I love how you said that about the rotisserie chicken.
Yeah,
There's
it's just
so
a
many
nice
ways
way.
you can use it.
Just enchiladas, anything,
Yeah.
But this is a nice little dish like this. All right.
Very cool.
So we're going to turn this off. All right. I'm going to drain this pasta in the back behind us. Here.
All right.
All right. The chicken is got out from the water.
Yep.
All right. Okay. So we got our sauce. We got our noodles and chicken. But now we got our nice platter here.
Perfect.
All right. So we want to deco our platter a little bit, make it cool, just like the rest.
Of course,
right?
yeah.
So we're going to take some of this.
The rest of the glaze.
Yeah, some of this glaze here. We'll just kind of drizzle that around, give it a cool look.
Oh,
all right.
perfect.
All right. So we have that like that. We're going to give it a nice look.
It.
Let's see how nice that stuff sticks.
Yeah.
It just gives it a nice presentation.
Yeah, it looks
Right. Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So if you can hold that for 1 second.
Absolutely.
I'm going to put our noodles and our chicken in the bowl, and that's going to heat the sauce that we have in there.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Right there?
Yes, the tongs. Perfect. All right.
Ooh, that smells
So
really
yeah,
good.
so we're just going to kind of toss this around, get that chicken, those bean sprouts, that chili sauce, all kind of mixed up in there.
Wow.
You can see how nice and delicate the pasta is.
And it really holds together
Holds
still.
together nice, right, yeah. But again, like I said, it only takes a couple minutes. It makes it really nice.
Oh, and you can just smell it.
You can smell that
soy
sweet,
sauce.
that sweet soy just coming at you, isn't it? We don't go wait to taste it. It's got that little kick of chili in the background,
God, I love that chili paste.
Yeah, it's the best. It really is. All right, so go ahead and put that down.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to kind of put this right in the middle like this. All right. Get rid of that. We're going to decorate this with some nice fresh chives. Kind of give it a cool look. And then the topper.
Oh, you have to put
fresh chopped
Yes,
peanuts.
you have to put fresh chopped
So kind of
peanuts.
just sprinkle all that around your dish. make it stick into that soy sauce so it kind of gives a nice flavor. And look at that. We have a meal.
Look at that.
We have nice pasta,
Yep.
chicken,
Yep.
sweet soy. Are you ready to taste it?
I am so ready.
Yeah, all right. There's some plates and forks there behind
Yes.
you. All right. Okay. Get you a little bit here. Put that on there for you.
Perfect.
I definitely want to try some.
Oh yeah, it's so unique too.
Yeah.
I've never heard of using egg rolls.
As noodles.
As
yeah,
noodles.
exactly. Like I said, one of my favorite things is using them to make raviolis because they're just delicate.
Yeah.
You know, you got to boil them a little bit
Yeah.
lighter, like
Yep.
simmering water, but it really will come out light and fluffy.
Yeah.
You put a nice light sauce on them. You know, let's give this a try.
Oh wow,
So light those noodles are.
so light, like just almost
Yeah.
like egg noodles, but
Yeah, but just
lighter.
Just lighter, exactly. They're
Yeah.
thin, they're delicate, you have nice flavor.
and the chicken in here is
Yeah, it just picks up the sauce.
really
doesn't it?
good,
Right?
yeah.
It really just picks right up the sauce. But this is a great, easy dish to do at home.
Very easy.
You know, using some leftovers, getting a couple little ingredients. Not many ingredients you see we use. Put it all together.
Right.
Again, almost in one pan.
Right.
You know, simple, nice presentation.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at that one more time. You know, we'll look at that. You know, you got a nice dish here to serve to your family.
absolutely, and that's what I love about noodle dishes.
Yeah.
They're always so
Yeah, just easy
it's a
to
great
make. Right.
like staple across so many different
Cultures.
generations and
Yeah.
cultures.
Yeah, I
that
mean,
just
anywhere you go,
Yeah.
somebody's
Everyone's got a
using
noodle
some
dish.
style of
Yeah,
pasta. right?
exactly.
You know, you got the Greeks, they make
Absolutely.
pistachio.
Yep.
You know, spatzel with
Yep,
garlic,
yes,
pork
absolutely.
rolls.
Yep.
You know, Chinese noodles
Yep,
like
and
crazy.
so many
you know,
noodles.
and of course Italian.
Yes.
Just so many different
there's a lot of
sauces, so
different-
many different variations that but
Yeah.
just a great dish.
very cool.
Excellent.
Well, yeah.
Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Truly appreciate you stopping by.
Yes.
We're going to enjoy our meal and have a
Yes,
great day.
and we'll be sure to include the recipe
Yes.
in the link below, and on our website as well. We've got all the recipes there too.
Yes,
so
yeah.
be sure to check it out. And thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, good stuff.